Welcome to Shoviv Software Private Limited. The Shoviv Outlook Suite help users to manage various Outlook tasks in a quick attempt. It recovers and restore your corrupt and non-corrupt OST or PST files without changing their items' properties. Some of the prominent features of the software are that it allows users to add multiple sources, such as corrupted OST files, or PST files, healthy PST files, and Outlook profile stores. And, if your files get corrupted, the software also provides complete recovery of your corrupted OST and PST files. The software also provides various export options, as you can export your OST and PST files and your Outlook profile store mailboxes into Outlook PST file format, and can export your OST and PST files and your Outlook profile store mailboxes into Live Exchange mailboxes. Software allows users to export OST and PST files and Outlook profile store mailboxes into Office 365 mailboxes. Users can export OST and PST file and Outlook profile store mailbox into public folder of Live Exchange and of Office 365 mailbox, and can export OST and PST file and Outlook profile store mailbox into archive mailbox of Live Exchange and of Office 365 mailbox. The software allows users to save OST and PST files and Outlook profile store mailboxes into extensions like MSG, EML, HTML, and many more file formats. If you want to extract only attachments from added sources, OST and PST files, and Outlook profile store mailboxes, the software allows you to do so. There is also an e-discovery search options to search any specific items from added OST and PST files and Outlook profile store mailbox using various criteria. The software also allows users to manage their PST files using several utilities, like user can merge their PST files and can even split PST files. Software allows to compact and compress PST file and provide PST duplicate remover. The software also provides several options at the time of exporting the mailboxes, as you can split the resultant PST file by providing your desired file size limit at the time of export. The software also provides an option to prevent duplicate items at the time of export while exporting in PST, use Incremental Backup to prevent duplicacy, and while exporting in Office 365 or in Live Exchange Server, use Incremental Export as Export All Items option to prevent duplicate items. Software allows you to map Outlook profile stores mailbox and OST and PST file mapping with target at the time of export, where you can export the source and target mapping list into CSV format. User can also map source with target mailboxes by using CSV file or map source option. The software also provides an advanced option like folder mapping, where you can export the source folder data into another particular target folder. It also provides an option of email translation to change the improper display email address. Software also provide an item filter option where you can select the message class filters, and can also provides the message date filters. The software supports all versions of Exchange Server, all Windows versions, and is compatible with all MS Outlook versions. Outlook 2013 is recommended. To download the software, you may visit www.shoviv.com/outlooksuite.html and install the software. To check out complete recovery and export process, click on the link in description below. For any sales-related query, mail us at sales@shoviv.com. For any support-related query, mail us at support@shoviv.com. And to contact us, visit www.shoviv.com/contact us. Thanks for watching.